I'm Dory.
And you are?
And I think we said we weren't going to introduce ourselves that way. I don't know how many times we said we're not going to do it anymore.
But we do.
But we do. Old habits die hard.
That's right. And we welcome anybody new to our channel. We appreciate you checking us out. Hopefully you'll enjoy us. And we welcome back all that have been with us before.
Yeah. So,
yes. Yay.
Hi, everyone.
Hi. Nate, sit up. Sit up.
Hi.
Yeah. Come on over.
He's got to get his hi in there. Yeah.
There you go. And you know what else you say? What does everybody like to hear you say?
Aw. No, that's not it.
It's hey, hey.
Hey.
There you go. Here we go. Let's give you a quick. There you go. Say hi. You have said hi. There you go. All right, let's get you back here. All right.
So, we have a saying today. Well, before we say our saying, we are, in case you haven't noticed, in the polka dot.
Polka dot challenge.
Polka dot challenge.
Yes.
So, yeah, our saying is from a,
Oh, look. Our hair's the same way.
yeah, how about
We didn't
that?
even plan that.
No.
Oh. Okay, you can tell we're sisters. We're related.
Well, anyway, normal is boring. Just saying. Normal is boring.
That's true.
What's normal anymore?
That is true.
Nobody knows what's normal anymore.
Well,
The new norm?
my old sociology class from, 30, 40 years ago would
Okay.
say it's what society dictates.
Oh,
I don't like that.
I don't either. Sorry, society.
Yeah. Whatever the world dictates.
Whatever, yeah. So anyhow, we're trying not to be boring with our challenges. We pick them out of the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there was a couple things I wanted to say.
And excuse me, I'm a little on caffeine right now. But go ahead.
She's on caffeine?
Well, I've had 3 cups of coffee and chocolate.
I cannot say that for me.
Anyway, go ahead. See, I'm going to be like all over the place.
All right, we'll take it.
So go ahead.
Now I can't remember where I was
sorry.
going with that.
I cut you off.
Yeah. Oh, well, some people have wondered if there's any way that they can contact us or send us a card or whatever they would like to send us. And so in the description down below, you will see we have our P.O. box set up. So
Okay.
just put that in there.
Okay.
There was something else I was going to say. Oh, I know what I was going to say. When we do our drawings for our challenge, it's not going to be like you're going to see that the next week.
Yeah, the next video.
Yeah, because we're about 2 weeks.
2-3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks. We have to do that because life happens and Dory likes to travel and
Yeah.
she needs to get things done before she leaves.
Yeah. So we do try to tape some of our shows like ahead of time.
Right.
A group of them, sometimes a couple of them at a time. So we do have some in reserve. So
Yeah.
because like Dory said, life happens and we have appointments and we have schedules and we have things like everybody else. Plus for me, it's getting to be gardening time. So I have lots of outdoor things to do.
Yeah, and I'm going to get into painting this year. Not painting pictures. Not
She's
artistic.
talking about walls.
Yes, painting doors and walls and cabinets. I hope my husband doesn't see this because he doesn't want me to paint. Shh,
We won't tell him.
We won't tell him.
And he probably won't watch. So
Yeah.
Come on, bud.
Okay, so we've
Okay.
got polka dots on our mind.
Yes, on with the polka dot.
Itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini.
Oh, there's that Dory. Oh, whoa.
Okay, we did not make bikinis.
No, we did not.
Want to go first?
I made a top.
I made a dress.
And I made a top that was different from my usual tops. This is a fitted top.
I
more
like
or
it
less.
a lot. I like a fitted top on you.
So thank you. I made Simplicity 8921. Okay, Nathan. Thank you. And I made this version with the sleeves. You can see that. I didn't want the crossover, so I'm always kind of changing around the patterns to how I want it to be. So I really didn't have much difficulty with it at all. One thing to note is that the top here of the sleeve is pleated.
Yeah, there's a couple of them in here.
Yep. There's some pleats, which were not hard to do. There's 3 pleats, I think, altogether.
I see 2.
Well, yeah, you have 2 on the side and then 1 in the middle where the pleat comes to meet
Oh,
in the middle. That's
okay.
how that is.
Medium pleats, we don't
So-
understand pleats. But.
So anyway, and that
Nice.
wasn't too difficult to do. There are
Oh, I like that detailing here.
the darts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, they weren't darts. They were more like, I guess, pleats too, because they pinch together and they don't come to a point
Oh, yeah.
on either end.
Oh, how
So
cute.
there's 2 on each side. You'll see in the
See, that's
the
a very
reveal.
flattering. I think that style is flattering.
Thank
Probably
you.
on almost anybody, I would think.
I would think.
Yeah.
And the belt is really, really, really long, and it attaches into the side
yours is
seams.
attached.
Mine is
Okay.
attached to the side seams. So, and one thing I didn't do is you could make one shorter than the other one. I just made them the same length.
Yeah.
Okay, Nader. The back.
Look at that. She put a zipper in.
Let go. Let go. Let
She
go.
put a zipper in.
I did not put it called for an invisible zipper, and I'm finding that almost all the patterns now call for an invisible zipper. I did not do the invisible zipper. I used one that I had. No, actually, I went to look for an invisible zipper, and I don't have an invisible zipper foot.
Oh, really? In your new machine?
Yeah, I don't have one. Oh, what? I can't. I'm not doing this right. I have to think here. Just a minute. You go around
Hard
to
to
the.
think when you have all that caffeine in you.
Yeah, you got to go around the back first.
Yeah.
And then come to the front to make it. So,
So where'd you get your fabric?
this was a thrift find
Yes.
somewhere. I don't
It
know
was a
where.
thrift store.
Yeah,
I
it
was
was a
with
thrift
you.
store. Yeah, you were with me, and I originally was going to make a dress out of it, but the polka dot challenge came up,
Uh-huh.
and I went, "Oh, this would make a nice dressy. I mean, this is dressy, casual, however you want to wear it." And I thought, I have a polka dot, so I'm going to use this to make the challenge with instead of purchasing something new. And I'm glad I did because
Nice. And nice color on you.
thank you, nice bright
Nice to see you having color.
in color.
Very good. So the pattern itself, how would you rate it?
I would rate it. I don't think it was difficult at all. It's just, anybody with any type of sewing experience could do it.
Yes.
Yeah. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a beginner's beginner because of the pleats and the long zipper that
Oh,
you're
yeah.
putting into it.
Mm-hmm.
But it has this is a facing, the neckline is a facing.
Mm-hmm.
Which I tend to find easier just because that's what we did years ago. That's what we
Mhm.
learned. And I think it was an excellent pattern. I didn't have any problems with it at all.
Sweet.
Yeah, and the fitting, I did because I was a little not anxious, but concerned about it fitting me.
Mhm.
Okay, because I made so many loose tops. I did use my dress form along the way.
Oh,
Did
good.
not have to make any changes at all.
Good. Nice.
So I just used my dress form to make sure that it was going to fit, and it did. So
Super nice.
anyway, yeah, great pattern. I would recommend it, and it's very flattering.
Well, can we watch the review?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the reveal.
All right, let's
watch
watch it.
the reveal.
See, it is. It's very flattering.
Thank you.
I really like it. Yeah.
The only thing is I have to really watch what I'm eating now.
Yeah. Well, I'm not even going to talk about that.
So anyway.
Yes. So mine is out of a New Look 6618. New Look 6618. I absolutely have to say that I am finding that I like New Look patterns.
I like that dress.
I think they're, I like them a lot.
Oh, wow, look at that. Do you have darts on it in the front?
I do have darts, yes.
You do. I was wondering.
I think. I don't remember. I've been making so many things.
No, I don't think so. Okay, it looked like it, but it doesn't.
I'd have to examine it to see.
Okay, but that's okay.
Anyway.
Go ahead. Sorry.
In view A, the
Oh,
belt
good.
is not attached to the dress.
View A.
View A, the belt is not attached. So you know how you're supposed to attach the
Yeah,
seam sides.
which is this one.
B and C is
B.
attached in the seams. Just something
and
to
C.
take note of. So I made A, which is not, it's not attached. And they do tell you that when you go to put the belt on, I can show you what you're supposed to do with the belt, is make sure, see, without a belt, it looks like a tent.
Well, yeah, but you know what? This is really cool for when it's hot in the summery, or if you don't like restrictive clothes, you could wear that like that.
Yeah.
I don't think it's bad that way.
So what they say is start with the center of the belt in the front and then wrap it around to the front like that.
Goes just the opposite of mine.
Yeah.
Mine does through the back first.
Yeah. So that's how the belt works in this dress. I absolutely had no issues at all making this dress. It was so easy breezy to make. Not only is the pattern good, but the fabric I got it at our local Goodwill, and I paid $3 for all the fabric, and it was bundled up, and I didn't know,
Oh, I remember.
what I was getting or not. But it's there was in there a receipt that says it's Liverpool 4-way stretch. And so the price for it was $26.97. So I got a good deal for only $3 to have this dress.
And that was made, I need to talk about that in mine, but yours is with the stretch fabric
Yes.
only.
Yep. And so this is a stretch fabric, so that worked.
I love that Liverpool knit. That's
Yeah,
so nice.
it was very, very nice to work with. Yeah. And this fits according to the size. Everything worked. I got my necklace at a thrift store. And I'm disappointed. I got at a thrift store a polka dot headband with a
Aw.
bow in it. So cute, and I left it out.
Aw.
But it looks good with it, and it looks good with my black and white polka dot swimsuit too.
Oh, good. Look at you. Getting into the polka
Which I
dots.
also got on my trip. So this came from a thrift store in Florida, and the earrings did too. And yeah,
So shall we see your reveal?
would you like to?
Sure, I would.
All right, let's look at it.
Oh, what a nice dress. I think it's a nice dress.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah,
I mean, super comfortable.
super comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. That's one thing about the knits and everything. They're really comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it's sewed up really nice.
no problems with
No
it. with the
problems at
machine.
all.
Yeah,
It has is that binding?
yeah, seam binding.
Seam
All right,
binding. No, not seam
Bias
binding.
tape.
Bias tape. Oh my gosh, will we ever get it
I
right?
know.
Yeah, it has bias tape for the neckline.
Mhm.
Oh, and it has a little button in the back. You saw it in the reveal.
Yes,
So
cute little button.
I found that little button in my stash, and I'm like, oh, that will go great with the little
Yeah.
button dress.
Yeah.
So
Worked well. Just wanted to mention, I failed to bring out that this was for wovens only. It is not made for any knits. It says chambray, cotton long, cotton types, gingham, lightweight, linen types, shirting, silky types.
So have you any idea what kind of fabric this is? It looks like linen to me. It has
Oh, it's
that-
not.
it's got little
It's
shrubs.
got a little texture to it, like I like, a little
Slubs.
slubbing to it, but it's not a linen. It's too thin, and it washes up. Doesn't wrinkle like linen. It washes up well, launders up well. So just to make everybody aware of that. But so any issues? No issues with your pattern at all?
No, I get thumbs up. And it's easy just for knits, and it's super easy, and I would make this dress again in a heartbeat. There's several different views.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that pattern
It-
myself.
Really is a nice pattern.
So New Look, you don't usually get that. They don't. Does Joann's carry New Look?
Joann's does. I've never seen it on sale.
Oh,
But they do carry.
you usually get that at
Wait.
Fields
Yes,
Fabric.
Yeah, I get mine at Fields and Fabric, but Hobby Lobby has them at a discounted price too. They're not on sale, but there's
Yeah,
just
and
discounted.
mine is such a limited one. Anyway,
Yeah.
I'll take that pattern number down because I like that dress. I'd like to make that. It's
Yeah.
just a nice, easy,
It is very easy.
and it looks like it's one of those dresses you can gain 5 or 10 pounds and nobody would
I
know
know,
you can
yeah.
still wear it.
You can lose 5 or
And
10
then
pounds.
it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it works good. Hey, Nate.
Oh, time to draw for
What
next,
is this
our
box
next
for?
challenge.
Hey.
Hey. Would you like to draw something for us?
Can you sit up a little better? Good job. Let Mama have it.
Dee. Here we go.
Let's see.
For our next challenge.
Can you tell her that? No?
He's
Okay.
not going to.
Whatever we want.
Oh.
Yay! I like that challenge because we
Whatever
have
we
some
want.
something. Yeah, now it's like, oh, what am I gonna make?
Now, just when I first got here, my sister said to me, I'm just dying to just make whatever I want.
And there you go.
We pull it out and then she's like, I don't know what I'd make.
Yeah. Well, now that the reality is here, it's like, oh.
Yeah. Sometimes we think we want something and then we get it, we're like, do I really want that? No, that would be fun to just make something that we want to make.
Yes.
So just remember, normal is boring. So do something abnormal.
Don't listen to her.
I have nothing philosophical to say about normal is boring. Do
Yeah,
you?
me neither. No, nothing.
All
My
right.
brain is like buzzing with caffeine. It doesn't know.
All right. Well, we hope you have a wonderful time looking at the polka dots. And
Happy sewing and give it a try. There's something, doesn't have to be complicated. Anything you do is a success. And have a great week.
yeah.
Oh,
don't
subscribe. Notification or hit the forward button. What else?
forget- comment. Leave a comment.
Oh yeah, we love your comments. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Uh-huh.
And
And
I don't know.
oh boy. All right. Well, enjoy your week. We'll see you next week.
Okay, bye-bye. What'd you say?
Oh,
No, bye-bye.
oh.